Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the install error code Dp-06 you don't have permission when installing an Epic game application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and we're going to just jump right into it. This is going to be a verbal explanation because of how basic this tutorial is. Basically, when you are installing the application and you have the option to choose a custom install location, you want to go ahead and actually make sure you're choosing the legitimate location that has a drive that exists and a folder directory that exists, because some people apparently are installing it to phantom drives or folders that may no longer exist or aren't set up properly. So you want to go ahead and actually navigate over to the program files folder in the directory options to go install the program file like any normal program. So you just would go and navigate over to this PC, select your hard drive, then users, and then you would select program files and then just save it to that folder. And then if you want to save it in another folder, you can, but that's pretty much what I'd recommend usually as a default one. And that should pretty much be about it, guys. Really nothing more to explain than that. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.